So let me show you how to make similar colors identical with automation blocks for After Effects. This is a tool that you find in our community library here. And the idea is that you select a bunch of color properties. You can also select other properties, but they will be ignored. Then in the inputs panel, which opens when you have this tool selected, there appears this similarity threshold. And now in this case, I want to allow pretty much similarity. If you set it to 100% or higher, all colors will be made identical. Now let's go for something like maybe 20% or so, such that I would assume that these three colors are not more than 20% difference, but this one is very different, right? So, and if we run this tool now with the selected colors, you can see that it makes these three identical, and this one is kept unchanged. And you can also see that in the console you get a detailed output which properties have been changed and which are kept unchanged as before. So that's how easy it is to make similar colors exactly identical with automation blocks.